Plant FAQs. Heuchera micrantha. Heuchera micrantha, a gardener's guide to the crevice alum root. Hi, Ferbu here. As a plant enthusiast, I constantly come across new and exciting additions to the garden. Today, we'll delve into the world of Heuchera micrantha, also known as the crevice alum root. This little gem is a perennial favorite, and for good reason. Let's answer some of the most common questions about this beauty. What is Heuchera micrantha? Heuchera micrantha belongs to the Saxifragaceae family, sharing kinship with plants like saxifrage and Bergenia. Native to North America, it thrives in rocky crevices and woodlands. This low-maintenance perennial boasts stunning foliage and delicate blooms, making it a versatile choice for gardeners. What does Heuchera micrantha look like? The star of the show is undoubtedly the Heuchera micrantha's foliage. The evergreen rosettes feature round, scalloped leaves that come in various shades, from reddish bronze to deep olive green. Some varieties boast a striking, almost metallic sheen. In late spring to midsummer, slender, dark red stems rise above the foliage, showcasing airy panicles of small, bell-shaped, creamy white flowers. How big does Heuchera micrantha get? Heuchera micrantha is a compact plant, typically reaching 18 to 24 inches in height and forming attractive basal mounds 8 to 12 inches wide. Its size makes it perfect for borders, edging walkways, or adding pops of color to container arrangements. Sun or shade. Where does Heuchera micrantha thrive? Unlike many flowering perennials, Heuchera micrantha prefers partial shade. Direct sun can scorch the leaves, especially in hot climates. The dappled light under trees or near shade structures provides the ideal environment for this beauty to flourish. Keeping your Heuchera micrantha happy. Soil, watering, and feeding. Heuchera micrantha thrives in well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. Amending your planting bed with compost or aged manure before planting helps ensure good drainage and provides essential nutrients. Water regularly during the first growing season, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Established plants are fairly drought-tolerant but appreciate occasional deep watering during extended dry periods. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. While Heuchera micrantha isn't a heavy feeder, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth and vibrant foliage. How to propagate Heuchera micrantha? There are two main ways to propagate Heuchera micrantha: crown division and seeds. Crown division is the easiest method and is best done in early spring or fall. Simply dig up a mature plant and carefully divide the crown into sections, each with healthy roots and leaves. Replant the divisions in prepared soil and water well. Propagation by seeds requires more patience, and germination rates can be lower. However, if you're feeling adventurous, you can collect seeds in late summer, sow them in a cold frame, and wait for spring to see if they sprout. Common pests and diseases affecting Heuchera micrantha. Heuchera micrantha is generally a pest and disease-resistant plant. However, occasional problems can arise. Watch out for slugs and snails, which can munch on the leaves. Hand-picking or using organic slug and snail control methods is usually sufficient. In very humid conditions, powdery mildew might appear as a white fungal growth on the leaves. Improve air circulation and treat with a fungicide if necessary. Heuchera micrantha versus Heuchera sanguinea. What's the difference? Heuchera micrantha is often compared to its close relative, Heuchera sanguinea, commonly known as coral bells. Both are popular perennials with attractive foliage and delicate flowers. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Size. Heuchera sanguinea generally grows taller, reaching up to 24 to 30 inches, compared to Heuchera micrantha's 18 to 24 inches. Leaf color. Heuchera sanguinea offers a wider variety of leaf colors, including vibrant reds, oranges, purples, and greens. Heuchera micrantha's leaves tend towards shades of red, bronze, and green. Sun tolerance. Heuchera sanguinea can handle more sun exposure than Heuchera micrantha, although both prefer partial shade. Flowers. Both have small, white flowers, but Heuchera sanguinea's flowers are typically more prominent and held on taller stems. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and garden design. Heuchera micrantha's compact size and stunning, often metallic sheen make it ideal for smaller spaces or adding texture to container plantings. Heuchera sanguinea. with its wider color palette and bolder flower display, might be a better choice for creating a colorful border or adding a touch of height to your shade garden.